Introduction and Overview. Apple's September 2025 flagship, the Apple Watch Ultra 3, is set to revolutionize the rugged smartwatch market by raising its bar for performance and functionality. The device boasts a display up to 4,000 nits, an S9 or S10 chip that enables Apple Intelligence, allowing users to access real-time health insights through advanced features such as non-invasive glucose tracking, refined sleep and hydration sensing, and improved GPS. Additionally, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 boasts several key upgrades over previous versions, including expanded SOS tools, satellite messaging with possible 5G RedCap, faster wireless charging around 20W, and a long-lasting battery life of about 20 hours. Let's talk about build and design. The build and design section of the September 2025 Apple Watch Ultra 3 highlights its rugged design, featuring a thinner bezel and premium metal construction for durability. The watch's frame is made from aluminum alloy with a thickness of approximately 17 millimeters, providing a comfortable and secure fit on wrist. A larger diameter case provides ample space for the ultra-thin display up to 4,000 nits, which is claimed to be the highest brightness ever seen in an Apple smartwatch. Now about the camera's front and back. The video highlights the camera capabilities of Apple's upcoming Watch Ultra 3, including a front and back-facing LiDAR and ToF depth sensing sensors that provide enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. The cameras feature large megapixel lenses with zoom levels ranging from wide-angle to telephoto options, allowing users to capture detailed images and videos without sacrificing resolution or clarity. Additionally, the video claims that the watch has an aperture of up to 2.5 millimeters, equivalent to f/1.8, providing a deep depth of field for portrait shots with shallow backgrounds. Depth ToF and sensing capabilities. Apple's September 2025 Apple Watch Ultra 3, with a rumored micro-LED panel and an S9 or S10 chip, promises to unlock on-device Apple Intelligence for smarter workouts, safety alerts, and health insights. The device features big health ambitions such as non-invasive glucose tracking, refined sleep and hydration sensing, and performance-oriented temperature readings integrated with watchOS 26-foot SAI summaries. Obstacle awareness in practice. Apple's upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3, set to launch in September 2025, is expected to revolutionize the rugged smartwatch market. The watch will feature a display up to 4,000 nits, 167 million pixels, a rumored micro-LED panel, and an S9 or S10 chip that promises Apple Intelligence for enhanced workout tracking, safety alerts, and health insights. The video highlights expanded SOS tools, satellite messaging with possible 5G RedCap, faster wireless charging around 20W, and about 20 hours of use. A word on video and color profiles. A video has claimed that the Apple Watch Ultra 3, set to release in September 2025, will revolutionize the rugged smartwatch market by raising its benchmark for displays up to 4,000 nits and featuring a rumored micro-LED panel. The device is expected to unlock advanced Apple Intelligence features such as non-invasive glucose tracking, refined sleep and hydration sensing, and performance-oriented temperature readings integrated with watchOS 26 SAI summaries. To support the claim of HDR lock. Now about tracking and AI features. The Apple Watch Ultra 3, the company's September 2025 flagship smartwatch, promises to revolutionize the rugged watch market with a display that can surpass 4,000 nits. The reported micro-LED panel and S9 or S10 chip are expected to unlock advanced features such as Apple Intelligence, which will enable personalized workout modes, safety alerts, and health insights on device. Sharper footage, the resolution story. Apple's September 2025 centerpiece, the Apple Watch Ultra 3, promises to revolutionize the rugged smartwatch market with a display that can reach up to 4,000 nits. The rumored micro-LED panel and S9 or S10 chip will unlock Apple Intelligence for smarter workouts, safety alerts, and health insights. This new device's front camera features LiDAR and ToF depth sensing, while its back camera offers improved GPS navigation with up to 4K 60 video modes and ProRes playback for high-quality videos. What ships and what you can add? The Apple Watch Ultra 3, expected to be the company's September 2025 flagship device, is set to revolutionize the UGG smartwatch market with a display up to 4,000 nits and a rumored micro-LED panel. Additionally, the device is expected to offer expanded SOS tools, such as satellite messaging with possible 5G RedCap and faster wireless charging up to 20W. How much RAM and storage? Apple's September 2025 Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to feature a significant upgrade in RAM and storage, with claims of up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes or more of internal storage. These specifications are aimed at delivering impressive performance capabilities that will enable the watch to handle various tasks, such as running apps, playing games, browsing the web, streaming videos, and accessing files with ease. Power and endurance overview. The Apple Watch Ultra 3's power and endurance overview highlights the device's ability to deliver impressive battery life, with a claimed endurance of up to 20 hours. The watch comes equipped with MagSafe technology, allowing users to charge their device wirelessly via a magnetic field generated by the Apple Watch's clip-on charger. With non-invasive launch and pre-order notes. Apple's September 2025 flagship, the Apple Watch Ultra 3, is set to revolutionize the rugged smartwatch market with a display up to 4,000 nits and a rumored micro-LED panel. The watch will feature S9 or S10 chip for on-device Apple Intelligence that unlocks advanced health features such as non-invasive glucose tracking, refined sleep and hydration sensing, and performance-oriented temperature readings integrated with watchOS 26-foot AI summaries. Apple's September 2025 flagship, the Apple Watch Ultra 3, promises to revolutionize the rugged smartwatch market with a display up to 4,000 nits and rumored micro-LED panel and a S9 or S10 chip for on-device Apple Intelligence. The watch will feature advanced health capabilities such as non-invasive glucose tracking, refined sleep and hydration sensing, and performance-oriented temperature readings integrated into watchOS 26 AI summaries. Additionally, it promises expanded SOS tools with satellite messaging up to 5G RedCap, faster wireless charging around 20W, and about 20 hours of use. Design notes include thinner bezels, premium metal construction, and stronger water resistance, along with unusually bold claims of front and back cameras, LiDAR and TOF depth sensing, and even ProGray video modes up to 4K 60 and ProRes. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is set to compete against other rugged smartwatches like the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 7 and Fitbit Versa. If this breakdown helped, please subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.